Hey, welcome back, guys. This is Dr. Satpute from Stock Market Files. In this video, we'll discuss what is long straddle. Long straddle is nothing but buying a put and call both put option and call option of same strike price will be buying. That is called as long straddle. Now, why do we have this? Why do we do that? Right? Sometimes it becomes risky to buy plain vanilla call option or put option. So it makes sense to, if we have certain view that is market will be much more volatile, that kind of view if we have, so that time we can think of buying this long straddle. So let us discuss what is long straddle. So as I said, we'll be buying the call option and put option of same strike. For example, here you can see we are going to buy call option 15 Nifty 15,000 call option and Nifty 15,000 put option. So the strike price must be same. Okay. So let's say the premium we'll be paying for 15,000 call option is rupees 200, and premium which will be paying for 15,000 put option is again 200. So the cost of the straddle is rupees 400, right? So this is the cost of the straddle, as we are paying 200 for call and 200 for put. So in total we are paying 400 rupees. So that is the cost of the straddle. Now let's see what happens to our P&L profit and loss as the Nifty moves. If the Nifty is on 15,000, the call option will my call options value will be 0 and my put options value will also be 0, right? Because I'll not Nifty is expiring, or Nifty's value is 15,000 at the time of maturity. So I'm not getting any benefit out of call option as well as from put option. See, when will I get a benefit from call option? When the Nifty trades above my strike price, That means if Nifty trades above 15,000, my call option will give me profit. If Nifty trades below 15,000, put option will give me profit, right? So, but as Nifty's maturity is on 15,000, call option is 0, put option is also 0. And as already I have paid 400 as my cost of the straddle to buy call and put, my net PNL will be minus 400. That means I am in the loss of 400 rupees. So now if Nifty is on 15,100, so this call option will give me 100 rupees, right? Call option will give me 100 rupees, and my put option is expiring out of money, right? Out of money. This is called as out of money because my strike price is 15,000 and the market price has increased to 15,100. So put option value will be 0. And as I have already paid 400 rupees as my cost of this straddle, so my net profit and loss will be this 400. This is my loss actually. So, but this is my profit. So 100 minus 400 is minus 300 is my net profit and loss. So when Nifty will be on 15,200, so this call option will give me rupees 200 profit. Put option will be 0. And my net profit and loss will be this 200 minus 400, cost of straddle is minus 200. So when Nifty is on 15,300, my profit and loss from this call option will be 300 rupees. Put option give me 0, and my cost of straddle is 400. So 300 minus 400 is minus 100 rupees. So when Nifty is on 15,400, right? So my profit and loss from this call will be 400 rupees, right? 400 rupees. Again, P will expire out of the money, so it will be giving me 0 profit loss. I'm losing my premium here. So already I have paid 400 rupees, so my total PNL will be this 400 minus 400, that is 0, right? So at this point in time, or at this strike price, my total PNL will be 0, right? So this is called as break-even point, or BEP. At 15,400 on the higher side is my break-even point, right? Now, if from this point onward, whatever Nifty rises, I am going to get benefit from this, right? So if Nifty becomes 15,500, my profit from this call option will be 500 rupees. Put is 0, and I have paid 400 already, so my profit will be 500 minus 400, that is plus 100. From here I'll get 600, so my profit will be 600 minus 200, that is 200. So for 15,700 I'll be getting 700 from call option. Already I have paid 400, so 700 minus 400, 300 will be my profit. For 15,800 my profit will be 400, so on and so forth, right? So as Nifty goes above or trades above this 15,400, I will get unlimited profits, right? Okay. So now let us say Nifty has moved to 14,900, right? So now my call option becomes out of the money call option, right? So that's why the price value of the call option will become 0. But as I have also bought put option, my put option will give me 100 rupees profit, right? So that's why my total profit and loss is, already I have paid this 400. So 100 minus 400 is minus 300. Again at 14,800, my my C is out of the money, 0. P or put option will give me 200 rupees. So this 200 minus my cost of the straddle, that is 200 minus 400 is minus 200. At 14,700, my call option will be 0, as it is out of money, and my put option will give me 300 rupees. So 300 minus the cost of the straddle is 400. So this will be minus 100. So at 14,600, my call option is 0. Put option is giving me 400. I have already paid 400. So 400 minus 400 is 0, right? So again, this is a break-even point on the lower side. That means from at put side, right? So below this strike price, right? This straddle is going to give me profit. Below the strike price, the straddle is going to give me profit. At 14,500, I'll be getting 500 from here, but already I have paid 400, so 500 minus 400 is 100. Likewise, I'll get unlimited profits as Nifty moves down further, right? So I have two break-even points here on both sides, on the lower side and the higher side. So at the higher side, my break-even price is, you can see 15,400 here. So the formula for finding the break-even price is strike price, the strike price for which we bought P and C, the strike price plus the straddle cost. The strike price in our case is 15,000. So 15,000 plus 400 is 15,400 is my strike price on the higher side, right? Also I have a break even point on the lower side. So at lower side, my break even point is equal to strike price, which is 15,000 minus cost of the straddle. So 15,000 minus 400, that is 14,600 is my break even point on the lower side. So thus I have two break-even points, and if Nifty trades in between these two break-even points, that is between 14,600 and 15,400, I'll be having limited losses, and the max loss is minus 400. The max loss is the minus 400, that is the cost of the straddle, right? So, but if Nifty trades out of that range, I'll be getting unlimited profits, right? So thus, if I know Nifty is going to, or if the market is going to be volatile, but I don't know on what side it will be volatile, I'll be buying this straddle, so that straddle can give me good amount of profit. So what are the rules to buy this straddle, right, or to make this straddle? So the put option and call option must be of the same strike price, right? So that is the rule. Observation is, what are the different observations which we can make from here? We should buy a long straddle. This is called as long straddle. Why? Because we are buying put and call. This is called as long straddle because we are buying put and call. So that's why buying long means buying. So we should buy a long straddle only when market is volatile, only when we have that view that market will be volatile. That time only we should buy this straddle. So that so if the market is in the range, probably will get the loss. If the market moves in one of the direction, we make unlimited profit, right? But if the market is range bound, that means it is in the range. As we saw, our range was between 14,600 to 15,000. You see 15,400, 14,600 to 15,000. If market is in this range, is it's moving in this range, we are going to lose this cost of the straddle. At max, we are going to lose that. Right. So that was about long straddle. Thanks for watching, guys. Please stay tuned for watching other videos on other option strategies. Thank you so much.